Our modern Christmas has been criticized for being too commercial. Come with us, time travelers, to the times when London's River Thames froze over, when snowy Christmases inspired great Dickensian stories, when things were simpler, but the traditions we hold dear today began to form. And be sure to hang around to see what you would have eaten in Victorian times. The Victorians really embraced Christmas time, and even the desperate poor took the season to heart and celebrated goodwill to all men. During 19th century England, Christmas was a revered occasion, influenced by two remarkable figures, Charles Dickens and Queen Victoria. Dickens, through his masterpiece, A Christmas Carol, offered a poignant portrayal of the season, emphasizing goodwill, generosity, and family bonds. The iconic characters like Ebenezer Scrooge and the heart-warming transformation he undergoes showed the importance of kindness and charity during the festive season. Dickens' vivid descriptions of lavish feasts and joyous gatherings ignited a resurgence of Christmas spirit across England. Victorian households eagerly anticipated Christmas. Decorations were elaborate, with homes adorned with evergreen garlands, mistletoe, and trees beautifully decorated with dried fruits, nuts, and taper candles. Families gathered to sing carols, play games, and exchange handmade gifts. Winters during the Victorian era were often frosty and magical, with snow-covered rooftops and frosted windows adding an enchanting allure to the Christmas season. Many Victorians, including Dickens, looked back fondly on their childhoods, when the River Thames froze solid, transforming into a bustling winter wonderland. This permeated the Victorian consciousness of an idyllic Christmas season. As the river froze over, it became a hub of activity. Street vendors set up stalls, selling hot drinks, roasted chestnuts, and trinkets, creating a festive atmosphere along the icy expanse. Queen Victoria and her German husband, Prince Albert, played a pivotal role in popularizing beloved traditions. Prince Albert introduced the concept of a decorated Christmas tree to England, a custom he brought from his homeland. This charming tradition soon became a staple in British households. Central to the festivities was the grand Christmas feast, a lavish affair featuring roast goose, plum pudding, mince pies, and a variety of decadent desserts. The rich may have plumped for a turkey over the cheaper goose. Accompanying either majestic bird were rich and flavorful side dishes. Chestnut stuffing and savory gravy added layers of taste and tradition to the meal. A labor of love, the Christmas pudding was prepared weeks in advance, filled with dried fruits, spices, and a generous splash of brandy. Its presentation was nothing short of theatrical, set ablaze and served with a dollop of brandy butter. Most families hid a coin inside the pudding to bring good luck to whomever found it. Mince pies, brimming with a sweet and spiced mixture of dried fruits and suet, were another beloved staple on the Victorian Christmas table. While grand feasts adorned the tables of the affluent, the spirit of Christmas extended its embrace to even the humblest corners of Victorian society. For the poor, Christmas was a time of resilience, community, and simple joys. For many impoverished families, the celebration centered not on extravagant meals, but on the warmth of companionship and the joy of sharing whatever little they had. The joy of giving was also emphasized, with charitable acts and donations to the less fortunate, being a cornerstone of the season, echoing Dickens's message of compassion. The tradition of Boxing Day marked the day after Christmas Day, when collection boxes were opened and donations shared to those in need, or boxes of gifts were given by employers to their workers. As we bask in the glow of this Victorian Christmas, we are reminded that the traditions and values cherished during this era continue to resonate through the ages. Do we need to take some inspiration from the Victorians and celebrate a season of charity and goodwill? Did the Victorians have it right, or are we better off with our modern Christmas? Let us know what you think in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. And if you liked it, we have many others that may be of interest to you on our channel. Take care for now, valued viewers, and thank you for watching.